Welcome to Lionel Ben's Trains, Marks, and I am gonna show you my latest train that I've been building for 2
minutes.
And this is what it looks like so far.
It's looking good.
And you can clearly see it was the Harry Potter engine.
Oh, yeah. Is this the first Harry Potter you've ever built?
Third?
Third?
Yeah, it's the third.
Okay.
This is the third Harry Potter.
Do you love Lego trains?
Well, yes. And I...
Where are you going?
And I made a Switcher version.
Hi, Croft.
But it never had
Taco Tuesday, huh?
bolts, and I still have it.
Just
Good scissor.
just waiting on you, Walker James.
But
Walker, your viewers are waiting.
it really actually does not look like a steam train.
Yeah, your video's just running and...
This is that small switch.
Mmm.
And as you can see, it is very, very horrible.
Why is it horrible?
Can you look at the engine, Mom?
Okay, what?
Can you look at the door next?
Oh, I see it. Okay, I see it.
And it is a very darn dang bad engine. So I think if I go to a Lego store, I have to put this in a scrapyard. If there's like any scrap.
These look a little... Are they a little soft on the sides, or is that from the melted section, or is that from just the way it's made?
Just the way it's made.
Oh, okay.
And I can actually run this. See, look, it'll just launch back.
Ah!
Come off the table there. I call it a drift buggy.
A drift buggy. Walker, you're pretty good at making these trains.
And I am trying to actually get this train car, this train car right here,
Okay.
to work. So I don't really...
Okay, well, let's wrap up this video.
We're going to wrap up this video, and we will see you in about 2 hours.
Okay, 2 hours.
So, signing off for Ben's Trains. I'll turn it off, Mom.